Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. I just want to show you my 23300XC because it's for sale. It's a very low mileage bike, only has 4 hours, less than 4 hours on it. And it has the SXS Burly handguards. I love these guards. They're very beefy and they really do an excellent job. Front suspension has been revalved by Factory Suspension Works here in Colorado. They do excellent work. Greg over there is the man. This wheel has got TUbliss in the front and a Bridgestone X31. We love that tire. And here are the bulletproof design radiator guards. Put those on all my bikes. Nothing better out there. It's got a Trotec fan kit, and those orange hoses are by Samco. The Samco silicone hoses, much better than stock. Stock pipe with the E-line carbon fiber pipe guard. Down here it's got a Rekluse CX, and that's their top of the line clutch. Bulletproof Designs billet radiator guards. Excuse me. Bulletproof Design billet rear brake pedal. Right now it's got a National Shock on it, which is excellent. But I also have a Revalved stock shock that I can put on there. So I'm going to post two different prices with the Natty shock or with the stock shock. The muffler is stock. It's got the Slavens graphics. And here we've got the Bulletproof Designs shark fin. And then it's got a Mefo prototype rear tire. It's a gummy, works very well, and it's got a mousse inside, a Mefo Mousse. So that's a great combination. And that tire's got great traction. Okay, what else am I forgetting on this side? I think that's about it. Over here we've got a Bulletproof Designs throttle position sensor guard. And what else is over here? Oh, AXP chain guide. The stock ones are just junk. My other bike I bent at one of the first rides, and when they bend, they don't just come back. They stay bent and they grind up your chain and sprocket. Let's see, underneath the seat there, the ignition is stock. Like I said, this thing does not need more horsepower. It runs excellent. From bottom to top, it pulls like a Mack truck and revs like a Banshee. So it's a great motor. All right, guys, I'm sure there's some other things I've forgotten here. I always do on all my videos. Let me think here real quick if there's anything else. It's a beautiful bike. I'll just show you the hours real quick here. 3.9. So the bike is basically brand new. I mean, I've just built it and sorted it out, and it's ready to rip. It's ready to trail ride, it's ready to race. It's got stock gearing on it now, which is good for racing, for hair scrambles, GNCCs, that type of stuff. If you're going to trail ride it, I would recommend you go down one tooth on the front to a 13. Stock gearing is 1449. Oh, also has a Golan fuel filter on it. That's about $70, and that's the best fuel filter on the market, period. I think that's it, guys. It's a great bike, runs well, handles well. I just have too many bikes in my barn right at the moment, and time to clear a few out. I've got a 24 300W and I've got a 24 500, and as far as I know, I can only ride one at a time, so I don't need so many bikes. All right, guys, please like us on Instagram or Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. If you're in the neighborhood, stop by and see our beautiful showroom. It's KTM Candy Store. And get out for some throttle therapy. That's all for now.